Hi everyone, today I'm here to try this Bluetooth speaker, Anker Soundcore PRO Plus. It's an old model, but it's a very interesting speaker. As I say in the old video, for serious music listening with my family, in the future I will buy a couple of large tower speakers, but for very portable listening I'm obviously addressed to this comfortable Bluetooth product. After I compare it with the sound of Tribit MaxSound Plus, because theoretically have a similar sound, flat, neutral, but in the more warm side. Open the box, okay. Happy. Classic paper. Owner's manual. Italian, Deutschland. The charging cable. Anker. Micro USB, not C-type, but classic. Nothing else. Okay. Ooh. Heavy. It's not so light. Heavy speaker. Respect Tribit. Yes, more big. Yes. Very nice. I smell this Bluetooth. Plastic. Good. Plastic. This rubber vestment. The body is metallic and pretty resistant. It isn't waterproof, total waterproof, but only splash proof, IPX4. Respect the boost version, haven't the function bass boost. However, this is a Bluetooth speaker premium but cheap. Respect Bose, JBL, 2 tweeter, 2 driver for the mids, and in the back 2 passive radiators. Big half speaker, 1 and 1. Very interesting. I'm very curious. overall, I think is not very good for me. The Anker Soundcore PRO Plus. I'm very disappointed because I remember a better sound when I heard the sound test on YouTube. It's better the sound stage and the driver separation, but I'm very disappointed for the bass because it's not so deep, pumped so much, similar to the Transmart Element Force. It is bad for me, so vibrating so much, but it's not very deep and satisfying. The Tribit MaxSound is for me is more natural sounding and more punchy bass and deep for my ears. Clarity, yes, is better to this Anker, thanks to the two separated tweeter. But overall, for the price, double price respect the Tribit MaxSound, for me is better deals. It's better deal of this MaxSound. Very good bass present, pretty deep, but overall this is heavy, is not very good for me. I'm very disappointed. I remember Anker Boost, for me the Anker Boost is more good, more better job. With the bass more convincing, the treble harsh and muffled, but overall for me is the better deal for the money. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it, and bye bye.